What you just watched was made with a new video agent that can create long-form videos up to 5 minutes. Not clips, full stories. And this is honestly the most cost-efficient AI video workflow right now. You give it a prompt, it plans your scenes, locks your characters, builds your storyboard, then converts everything into a cinematic video automatically. No wasted credits, no failed attempts. It works as your personal AI video planner and production assistant, taking your idea all the way to a Hollywood-level storyboard, then converting it into a full cinematic video. The tool is Topview Agent V2. And I'm going to show you exactly how I did this, step by step. Let's get into it. Topview just launched Agent V2, and this changes everything. It's powered by Seedance 2.0, and here's what makes it completely different from every other AI video tool out there. It's not built for clips, it's built for stories. Most AI video tools give you 15 seconds and call it a video. You put in a prompt, and the agent doesn't just generate, it thinks. First, head over to Topview AI and look at the left sidebar. Click on the Image section. Select Storyboard. You'll notice it's powered by GPT-Image 2. This is the feature we're using today. I'm going straight to the story box and typing my prompt. A mysterious man storms a grand royal palace with deadly precision, white tigers flanking him through gold-lined halls. Topview gives you 2 image models. There's their own model, but I'm selecting GPT-Image 2. Set resolution. I'm choosing 9 panels. Hit Generate Storyboard and let it run. And just like that, look at this. A full 3x3 cinematic storyboard, exactly what we described. Grand Royal Palace, gold columns, red carpets, white tigers, and our mysterious man moving through all of it. Topview lets you upscale individual panels for sharper detail before converting to video. And if a specific angle isn't hitting right, you can edit it. Change the camera angle, adjust the composition, regenerate just that one panel without touching the rest. So you have full creative control at this stage before we even touch the video generation. Once your storyboard is ready, head over to the video agent. Make sure you're on V2. Upload your storyboard as the reference image so the AI uses it as the visual blueprint. Now select Seedance 2.0 as your video model. This is what's going to animate everything and keep it cinematic. Here's where Topview completely stands out from every other AI video tool right now. Most AI video generators cap you at 15 seconds. That's it. Topview goes up to 5 full minutes in a single generation. For duration, I'm setting a custom time. You can go anywhere from 4 seconds all the way to 300 seconds. Once everything is set, hit Generate and let Seedance 2.0 do its thing. Now watch what the agent does next. This is where it gets really powerful. Topview automatically breaks your storyboard into multiple cutscenes. Each panel becomes its own individual scene with its own prompt, its own timing, its own camera movement. After inserting the scenes, you have full control over every single scene before you generate anything. You can enhance a scene if you want more detail in the prompt. You can change the duration of each individual cut, make an action scene shorter and snappier, or let a wide establishing shot breathe longer. Don't like a scene? Delete it. Need an extra moment in the story? Add a new scene right in between. Once you're happy with the full sequence, select Seedance 2.0 as your model, set your resolution, and here's a feature I really like. Topview gives you style templates. You can switch between cinematic, UGC ad, talking head, education explainer, product demo. Hit Generate and the full multi-scene video starts rendering. And here's the result. Multiple clips fully generated from our storyboard scenes. Look at this. The white tiger stalking through the grand palace hall. Gold columns, red carpet, fallen guards. Now, Topview doesn't just generate and dump the clips on you. It has a full editor built right inside. Drag each clip into the timeline below, and you're in post-production immediately. You can trim, crop, reorder, everything you'd expect from a proper editor without leaving the tool. And if a clip has any glitches or awkward motion, Topview can detect and smooth it out automatically. Here's my favorite part. You can extend any clip directly. Watch this. I took clip 2 and typed, "The tiger runs and hits his paw on the face of the enemy." And it extended the scene seamlessly, keeping the same environment, same tiger, same cinematic feel. No jumping between tools, no exports and re-imports. Everything happens right here. Once you're happy with the full sequence, hit export. Let me show you another example I built using the exact same workflow. This time, a medieval battlefield. Armies clashing, swords drawn, fog rolling across the ground, dust in the air. I wrote the story. GPT-Image 2 built the storyboard. Locked in the soldiers, the environment, the chaos, the mood. Then, Seedance 2.0 converted it into this. Now let's talk pricing. Topview has a free plan, but for serious creators, check out the Ultra plan. $50 a month gets you 365 days of unlimited GPT-Image 2 and Seedance 2.0. Or just use credit mode, Seedance 2.0 at only $0.1 per second. Link in the description. Let's go.